Troubleshooting common issues. Low refrigerant, frozen coils, and compressor. Not turning on at wholesale. AC services, we frequently address these common HVAC problems. Low refrigerant, a sign of a possible leak. Our technicians will identify and fix the leak before recharging your system, protecting your compressor from damage. Frozen coils, often caused by restricted airflow or dirty filters. Let the system thaw, replace the filter, and check for airflow. If freezing continues, our experts can provide a thorough inspection and solution. Compressor, not turning on. This could be due to a thermostat issue, a tripped breaker, or faulty components like a capacitor or relay. The skilled team at Wholesale AC Services can diagnose and repair the problem quickly, ensuring your system runs smoothly. Count on Wholesale AC Services to handle these issues and more, keeping your HVAC system in peak condition all year long.